Are you tired of have your inbox flooded with email? Do you want to regain control of your online presence? Well, you are in luck because today we are going to show you how to permanently delete your Gmail account with just one click. Deleting your Gmail account might seem daunting, but with our simple step-by-step guide, you will be able to do effortlessly. First, log in into your Gmail account. Then navigate to Setting menu by clicking on your profile picture in the top right corner. Now I need a email address except gmail.com. So I use my Hotmail. Then Gmail send a verification code for security purpose, and after sending the mail I open the Outlook software. See, the code is already sent, but I do not see any code. Here is send a link. I copy the link and paste the browser. Then I will get a message. So why wait? Take control of your online presence today. Say goodbye to Gmail with just one click. Thanks for watching. Do not forget to like and subscribe for more helpful tips and tricks. See you next time.